Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. We are here from Hervest company to present the business plan of our company. But before we present the business plan, I will introduce you to the ingenious team behind Hervest team. I'm Tabizati Rafia as President of our leadership. The left one is Adinda Jika, she is the Vice President of Manufacturing. The right one is Dwi Anggraini, the Vice President of Marketing. Tania Ali Firdaus, she is the Vice President of Sales Management. And the last one, Cindy Estiana, she is the Vice President of Accounting and Finance. The company profile, our company's name is Hervest since March 2021. Our address is at Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya, Teknik Kimia Road, ITS Sukolilo. The executive summary of Hervest is a bicycle company that provides a high-quality bicycle and accomplish customer needs at a great price. This is our priority segmentation. Our priority segment is mountain segments with HRVST-MOUZ and HRVST-MOUPRO as the products. Second priority is big with HRVST-TURBO as the products. And the third priority is recreation segment with HRVST-HOLZ as its product. Now we are in balance scorecard of Hervest company. As seen on the balance scorecard graph, Hervest company has grown gradually to quarter 3. Even though the line is not gradually increasing, but it gave the Hervest company a good impact. It is also shown in the cumulative balance scorecard. The green line has increased gradually.
As seen on the table of cumulative result for quarter 3, Hervest company have reached the higher point than average in cumulative investment in future and cumulative asset management. And this is our review financial and market performance. Market performance. Overall market growth of Hervest company in quarter 1 and 2 didn't show a significant movement. It started to increase in quarter 3. As seen on the graph, Hervest company is increasing gradually from quarter 1 to quarter 3.
Financial performance of Hervest company is shown by the light green line. In quarter 2, the financial performance of Hervest company have decreased and it increased dramatically in quarter 3.
Move to assessment of current situation in the market. Next. In the mountain segment, range judgment for HRVST-MOUPRO and HRVST-MOUZ was ranked 7 and 8. Meanwhile, in the speed segment, HRVST-TURBO got first place for the brand judgment. Next. In the mount segment, price judgment for the HRVST-MOUPRO and HRVST-MOUZ have reached 7 and 8 place. It also applied in the speed segment. Hervest company have not launched in a new brand in the recreation segment. This is the competitor's profile. As seen on the one slide, Hervest company have a high point in the total demand, 729. In the next picture, Hervest company got first place in the highest rated brand in the speed category. Next, as seen on the graphic on the right side, the Hervest company have 24.6 fixed capacity.
As seen on the market share table, Hervest company reaches 10.44% in total market share on the market demand table. Hervest company reaches 729 in total demand with detailed explanation as on the table.
The strength of Hervest company. As seen on the table of the top, strength of Hervest company is financial risk and was followed by total performance, financial performance, and etc. Next, the weakness of the Hervest company. As seen on the graph of the bottom right, the weakness of Hervest Company are marketing effectiveness, wealth, manufacturing productivity, and financial risk. Major problems and opportunities of Hervest Company. The major problems of the Hervest Company are marketing effectiveness, manufacturing productivity, financial risk, and wealth. The opportunity of Hervest Company are total performance, financial performance, market performance, investment in future, and asset management.
Let's move to the strategies for the next quarter. Marketing strategies. Market size, the first one focus on large, high margin segment, and the last one focus on frag segment that are out of the mainstream. Geographic markets, at the first one, we focus on geographic markets which are in the middle of the cost or size continuum. The second one, focus on geographic markets which minimize distribution costs. Competitive posture, number one, build a market position and defend it. Number two, be a fast follower, imitate smart competitive move. Number three, set step to competition whenever possible. Distinctive competencies, be the market share leader, be the profit margin leader, be the high service provider in the market.
This is our sales strategies. First, we launch bikes in the speed and mountain segment for different categories, and also relaunch bikes in the recreation segment after we are considering Hervest increasing demand. Our total demand in the last quarter is 729.
Human resource strategies of Hervest Company. As seen on the graphic, we plan to raise the compensation for the workers in the next quarter. Next. This is our manufacturing strategies. From the calculation we've done, the acquired manufacturing productivity was 0.88.
Financial strategies. Financial performance is net profit from current operation plus gross profit divided 2 divided total share issue is 14.76. Net profit from current operation is 133,246 and investment in from future is 196. The detailed explanation can be on the screen.
Move to financial request section. The amount of money being sought is $2,500,000. Next. Amount of money being sought is $2,500,000. Project earning per share in quarter 6 is 30. Price earning multiplier is 10. Based bicycle manufacturing. Project stock price in quarter 6 is 300 per share. Requested stock price in quarter 3 is -30 per share. Projected ROE is 330%. Desired stock price is 100. Shared offered is 25,000 shares.
Pro forma, cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. Cash flow. First, we will explain about pro forma cash flow from the pro forma cash flow data above. Our company generates a balance sheet and end of period. Next. Which has increased gradually from quarter 1 to quarter 4, which is this actual result of our company. While for cash balance, next. The end of period in quarter 5 and quarter 6 in the projection result that our company assumes for the future. Balance sheet. The following is our company pro forma balance sheet data. In this table, we can see current assets, long-term assets, debt, and equity. For the data leads in Q1 to Q4, the actual company data that we get, while for Q5 and Q6 are the projection that we assume for the company's future.
The last one is pro forma income statement data from our company. The data shows gross profit, expenses, and miscellaneous income and expenses that generate earnings per share. Earnings per share represent the amount of money that will be received by shareholder for each share they own when sharing the outstanding share profit at the end of the year. The same as the balance sheet for Q5 and Q6 are the projections that we assume for the company's future. So we will try our best to generate positive earnings per share.
Tactical plan. This tactical plan is used to set out the company's plan in the future. This capacity should be used in the preparation of business plan and pro forma financial report.
This is the last slide of our presentation. If you have any question, you can ask to us and we will try to answer it correctly. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, my name is Iqbal Ramadan as a president. Lalu ya. Hello, my name is Iqbal Ramadan as the president of role leadership of Indra. I want to ask some question. How to increase your company demand in the mountain segment? Thank you.
Okay, thank you Iqbal from Indra for your question, and I will answer your question. How to increase our company's demand in the amount of segment is with add more features. Salah.
Hello, my name is Iqbal Ramadan as a president of role leadership from Indra. I want to ask some question to you. How to increase your company demand in mountain segment? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your question. Let me answer your question. How to increase our company's demand in the mountain segment is with add more feature for the bike and expand the advertising. Thank you.
Hervest company open one more question for another company. If you want to ask, you can turn on your mic and we will try to answer it correctly.
Okay. Hello, I'm Rifda as President of our leadership of Scouts Company. I have a question. What will your company do to increase the worker satisfaction? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rifda from Scouts Company. I will answer it. So our company will increase annual salary and increase health benefits for workers, increase weeks of vacation for sales force workers, and increase pension for workers to increase the worker satisfaction. Thank you for the question. Is there any question for other company? If there's no question, we will close the presentation. Thank you for your attention, and we apologize if there's any mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.